Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Honor 200 Lite. To do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device. And the first one is at the bottom, that's the main speaker. Another one is located on top of the screen, and that's a phone call speaker. Now to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. Let's try it out. And clearly, sound is coming only from a bottom speaker, which confirms that this device doesn't have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.